Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe in 2023. I hope you have your cup of chai with you because that's the best way to watch this video, with a cup of chai. I know I don't have my chai right now, I just finished it. I didn't want it to get cold. But anyway, today we're talking about the top tech gadgets or accessories under 250 rupees. Yes, only under 250 rupees. And all of these products are extremely useful and you should have them. So let's go over them one by one. You guys sit back, relax and drink your chai. Alright, first up on the list is this extremely useful multi-cleaning tool. You can clean a lot of things with this. You can clean your keyboards with the brush and it will remove a lot of dust. Like, you'll be surprised by the amount of dust that comes out of your keyboard using this brush. It also has a keycap remover, so you can use this tool to actually remove keys from your keyboard and then clean it further. So if you want to clean your keyboard all the way, you can use this tool as well. Wait, I'm not done with this product as of yet. You can open it from the back and there are some more tools in there. With this first pen-like tool, you can clean your earbuds. There is a lot of dirt there, and then you can open it further to clean your earbuds even more. And not only that, the earbuds case as well. So for around 100 to 130 rupees, this multi-cleaning tool is a must-have for everyone, like a must-have. Moving on, at number 2, we have this Gorilla Pod for smartphones. You can use this Gorilla Pod to shoot videos, attend video calls and a bunch of other things. And yes, you can use it both in landscape as well as portrait mode. You get 2 threadings on the mobile holder and you can attach it however you want. So if you want to shoot a YouTube video or an Instagram reel or just use it for attending video calls, then you can definitely do so. It's a very good Gorilla Pod, and because it's a Gorilla Pod, you can mount it in various places. You can keep it on the table, you can mount it to something, you can attach it to something, wrap it around something, and it's a very useful product. You should have it if you shoot a lot of video content. Next up, I have my favorite thing, and that is this case with a card holder. Now, I got this case from Vietnam for about 100 rupees, but you can get similar cases here in India online for around 150 rupees or even in the offline market for 100 rupees. These cases are very useful because you can put a card in the back, so you don't need to carry around your wallet anymore. You can use UPI in your smartphones, and then you also have a card with you. So if you need cash, you can quickly go to the ATM, remove cash, or you can use your card. Basically, this will be your entire wallet with your smartphone and that card. So just search for it on Amazon or go to the local market and you will find some really good ones. But I'll do one thing, I'll drop a link to the iPhone 13's case because that's the one I'm using. I'll drop a link to that. Now, a quick side note, if you like the quality of our videos, the way we shoot, the way we edit, then you can learn that as well. We have made a video production course called as Shoot, Edit, Share, the complete video making course. It's an awesome one and you can learn to shoot high quality videos and edit them professionally. So go to this website classroom.technolobe.com and you can check out our course. It's an awesome one, don't miss it. Next up, we have this awesome metal mobile stand which can be used on desks. So you can keep your smartphone or tablet on your desk using this stand and it works really well. Not only that, it will also keep your charging cable organized. So your charging cable won't go here and there. Your smartphone or tablet and your charging cable, everything will be organized, and it's a very good addition to your desk setup. No matter if you're working from home or from office, you should use this mobile stand because it is extremely affordable. It is made out of metal that is excellent, very good build quality, and as I said, it will keep the charging cable organized. Now, talking about keeping things organized, here we have a travel pouch which is very useful to carry around small things in your backpack. Now, here's what I carry in this travel pouch on a daily basis. First up is my memory card box. So all my memory cards are in this small box. Then I have my charger. This GAN charger from Stuffcool is awesome. Then I also have my charging cable. After that, I have a 1.5 TB hard drive in here, which is generally used for backing up all my memory cards once they are full. And then finally, I have my Samsung T5 SSD. This SSD is used to edit video projects because it's extremely fast. And I'm not done yet. I also have my USB Type-C dongle from Anchor. This is very important because my MacBook Air M1 does not have ports, only 2 USB Type-C ports. So this dongle is extremely important. So these are all the things that I carry in this one little pouch, and it helps me be organized, and nothing is lost here and there in my backpack. Everything is organized. Again, highly recommended. You should buy it because under 250 rupees, it's a no-brainer. Finally, we come to the last product, but not the least in one bit. In fact, this is one of the most recommended items because it is a microfiber cloth. It's from Scotch-Brite. Yes, the brand that makes all the cleaning stuff, like the stuff that we use in kitchen, that brand itself. and this microfiber cloth is one of the best out there. I use it to clean my smartphones, laptop, tablet and other things as well, and it has been working really well for me. Like for fingerprints on the screen or some dirt on your screen, this is the best thing to have because it cleans everything. And as I said, this is one of the best microfiber cloths that I've ever used, and again it is under 250 rupees, so you should definitely own one and keep it in your backpack. Now fun fact, I have been using this particular microfiber cloth for about 6 months and nothing has happened to it. It still works as good as day one. So those were the tech accessories that you should own, and all of them are under 250 rupees, so definitely go ahead and check them out. All the links will be available in the description box below. Now if you want me to continue this series, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. I will make more such videos for tech products under 500, under 1000, under 1500, 2000 and so on and so forth. So if you want me to continue, the comment section is yours. Please comment down below. So anyway, that's been it. Do let me know what do you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.